Stock investing for beginners. Nvidia stock dropping. Why? In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 reasons why Nvidia stock is dropping. It dropped 5% over the past 5 days. It dropped 1.22% today. Over the past 1 month, it dropped 6.96%. And I'm also going to talk about 5 reasons plus 1 bonus reason why I think Nvidia could bounce back pretty soon. So if you look at Nvidia, year to date, it stayed up 170.69%. And over the past 6 months, it dropped. It did not move at all, 3.83%. If you look at that, and I have around 260,000 value of Nvidia, 2,000 shares. And do I think if it's time to sell Nvidia stock right now? That's what I'm going to talk about at the end of the video as well. So if you look at Broadcom, it's up 34.03% over the past 5 days. And like Nvidia, past 1 month, 45.01%. But year to date, it's only up 121.23%. So if you bought it the past 6 months, 33.2%. If you just bought it the past 1 month, you are already up a lot. And Nvidia stay better than Broadcom for year to date. So why did it drop? Reason number 4. Microsoft and Google indicated that their AI spending will grow at a slower pace in the future. That's why it dropped. And reason number 3 why it dropped is a little bit more serious. Amazon announces supercomputer, a new server powered by homegrown AI chips. But this reason, I'm not so worried about this reason. Why? Because Amazon, they try to develop their own chips because they are afraid that they will not get enough Nvidia chips because the demand is so high, the supply is not that high. So just in case, you know what, we cannot get enough Nvidia chips, it's good to have backup, our own chips. So yeah, it doesn't mean that they don't like Nvidia chips at all. It means that they are just afraid to lose supply. So that's all. That's good news. It's a good problem to have. And reason number 2 is a little bit more serious. China probes Nvidia for monopoly. This is also very good. Only top 1% of companies have this issue. Nvidia is at the top. So that means that they're gonna have problems with monopoly, right? So this is also a very good problem to have. I'm not worried about it. But it started dropping because of the news. Really good deep buy opportunities because of that. Reason number 1, Broadcom stock soared. And why did Nvidia drop? Because Broadcom said he got 2 more hyperscalers companies, and also hyperscalers companies are spending more on custom chips. Broadcom helped them design their own chips. So investors start to think, if Broadcom start to get more business, so that means that hyperscalers companies like Amazon, Microsoft, ChatGPT, Apple, they're not gonna buy chips on Nvidia anymore. It's not necessarily true. Remember, there are a few reasons that I think Nvidia could bounce back. Should Nvidia owners be worried? We're going to look at it in a short time. And remember Josh Brown? He said he sold Alphabet, Google, on October 28. And on December 3rd, he also sold Alphabet, Google. What happened after December 28? October 28, look at this, October 28, it jumped, Google jumped, Alphabet jumped. And what happened after December 3rd? He sold around 171, then it jumped. The moral of the story is you don't have to follow anybody else, the story or the narrative. Remember, Google stock dropped because the ChatGPT came out. Microsoft was ahead of Google is falling behind. We're gonna sell Google, so that's why it dropped. Then after that, it dropped again because of monopoly. The U.S. government wants to break up Google, Alphabet, because they are monopoly, right? Sounds similar. Nvidia story is also sounds similar, right? So that's why I think Nvidia is gonna go back up. There are 5 reasons plus 1 bonus reason. I'm gonna tell you now. And look at Microsoft, 22.54% year to date up. Google Alphabet is much more than Microsoft. Look at that. Look at that. What's there to worry? You see? That's why I've been buying Alphabet Google. And yeah, I beat the stock market. Now, reason number 5, sovereign AI. Nvidia, yeah, there may be Broadcom, some companies gonna get some market share, but like countries, they're not gonna design their own chips. It takes a long time. Amazon, Google, Alphabet, Microsoft, they have been trying to design their own chips, but they cannot reach Nvidia chips level. And do you think the government's gonna wait? The president, they want to win the votes, so they want to be ahead of other countries in terms of AI. They want to buy Nvidia chips right now. Remember, they are spending taxpayers' money. Sovereign, they spend taxpayers' money, so they don't have so much incentive to wait. The longer they wait, the more votes they're gonna lose, right? If you were the president, you want to show your populations that you are taking actions, that you're creating jobs. What's the best way? Just buy Nvidia chips, invest in AI, create more jobs, right? Just imagine if you have only 10 countries that's gonna buy your chips, how big Nvidia company could be. Just imagine that. Okay. And reason number 4, CUDA software. Nvidia, lots of hyperscaler companies are buying hardware, yeah, but they also gonna buy software. Subscribe, so they are paying every month. So even if the demand starts to fall, their software revenue is gonna go up, right? So Nvidia is gonna become like a software giant. That's another reason. They're gonna stabilize their stock price, and stock price gonna be smoother because they have subscription software coming in. And reason number 3, why I think Nvidia is gonna go up, robotic opportunities. Have you ever seen a restaurant without humans, without chef? There are so many restaurants in China, robotic restaurants, and in San Francisco, robotic taxi. Uber drivers, if you are Uber drivers, you need to start learning investing right now because your job's at risk. Nobody's gonna employ you. The same way with cashier, waiter, waitresses, everybody's gonna be like robots. They're gonna use robots. Where all these robots, which chips are they gonna use? Nvidia chips, right? Nvidia is at the top, remember? More opportunities. And reason number 2, AI time will lift every AI company up, especially Nvidia's, because they are at the forefront of AI. So yeah, there will be more competitions, but your pizza pie is getting bigger. You need to slice more, yes, but the slice is gonna be bigger, so it's better than before, right? So reason number 1, Jensen Huang gonna have conference on between January 4 and January 6. He's gonna announce new products, more revenue, more net income, more cash inflow. That's a short-term catalyst that's gonna push Nvidia stock price up again. And probably the most important reason, bonus reason, is I own Nvidia. I own Nvidia over 260,000, close to 300,000. And usually stocks that's gonna go up, I own them. So I own Nvidia, so that means Nvidia is gonna keep going up again, right? If you are just starting out, you want to open a stock account, the link is gonna be in the description and comment down below. You can go to my YouTube playlist to learn more about stock investing. option trading and advanced option trading as well. If you have any questions, comment down below, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.